Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. And in today's video we are going to discuss about the liverworts. Okay, so we already covered the bryophyta, okay, in my last video, and in this video we are going to talk about the liverworts. Okay, so liverwort, it belongs to the division Hepatophyta. Okay, Hepatophyta. Okay, and these are the non-vascular plant that thrives in moist and shady environment. Okay, and this is the simplest member of the bryophytes. Okay, and it plays important role in the plant kingdom. So now let's talk about the characteristics of liverworts. Okay, so if we talk about the habitat, then it is found in the damp soil, okay, rocks, tree trunk, okay, and the similarly kind of environments. I already told you that bryophyta, okay, they are also known as the amphibian of the plant kingdom because they require the moisture or the water, okay, for their reproduction process. So likewise the liverworts, they are usually found in the damp environment, okay, that contains the moisture, and this can be found in soil, rocks, and the tree trunks. Okay, and if we talk about the structure, then the liverwort, they are of two types. The first one is a thalloid, okay, and the another one is the leafy liverworts. Okay, so the thalloid liverworts, we are going to talk about them. So the thalloid liverwort students, they are flat, okay, and the structure is ribbon like, and they are without the true stem or the leaves. Okay, so they are without true stem or leaves. Okay, and if we talk about the example, then the example includes Riccia and the Merkensia. Okay, so the Riccia and Merkensia both are thalloid liverworts. Now let's talk about the leafy liverworts, the second kind. Okay, so they will, the leafy liverworts, they will appear, okay, small and have moss-like appearance, okay, with leafy arrangement. Okay, and due to this leafy appearance, it is known as leafy liverworts. Okay, and they will lack the root. Okay, and in place of the root, they will have the rhizoid, and rhizoid, students, it will play a role in their anchorage, okay, providing the anchorage. Okay, now if we talk about their reproduction, then the liverworts, they will exhibit both the kind of reproduction, the asexual one as well as the sexual one. Okay, so the asexual reproduction, okay, this is through the fragmentation or the gamma formation, okay, and this will occur in the specialized structure called as gamma cup. So the example includes the Merkensia. Whereas the sexual reproduction, okay, in the sexual reproduction, the male gametes, that is known as antherozoids, they are produced in the antheridia, okay, and the female gametes, they are produced in the archegonia, and fertilization requires the water, and the zygote develop in the into a dependent sporophyte. Okay, and next we are going to talk about the sporophyte features. Okay. So I already told you how the process of sporophyte, okay, it happened. Again I will tell you the male, okay, gametes. So they are formed in the archegonia and threadia, okay. Whereas the female gamete, they will occur in the archegonia. Okay, then the fertilization, it will happen in the water, okay, and the sporophyte will be formed. Okay, so the feature of the sporophyte, this is dependent on the gametophyte. Okay, so basically the this sporophyte, it is divided into three parts. It is differentiated, not divided, it is differentiated into three parts. The first one is the foot, and this is required for the attachment purpose. Okay, then there is a seta, the second one, and this is for the support. Okay, and the third part is the capsule, and the capsule is required for producing the spore. Okay, so this is all about the sporophyte feature. So I hope till here it is very clear to you. Now let's quickly talk about the economic and the ecological importance of the liverwort. Okay, so we are going to discuss both economic and the ecological importance. So the first of all ecological role is they will act as a pioneer, okay, in ecological succession. Okay, further they will also contribute to soil formation. Okay, and they will prevent the soil erosion. Okay, the second important feature is the water retention. Okay, so the liverworts, they will have the very important or unique property, that is the water retention, and this is crucial for maintaining the moisture in ecosystem. Okay, and apart from this, if you talk about the economical importance, then there are certain liverworts, okay, that possess the antibiotic and the antibacterial antifungal properties. Okay, so they are used for the medicinal application. Okay, so this is all student in this video about the liverworts. Thank you for watching the video.